My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. Welcome back if you been following your girl, and welcome to my channel if you are new. So as you saw by my previous video, I did an unboxing over the TruNatural Rose Tea Hair Refresher in their superb hair oil. And today's video is going to be a review and demo over them. This is the Rose Tea Hair Refresher, and this is the superb hair oil. As you can see, I've been using it because it's not full no more. That's that, and this is that. So I am actually going to give y'all like a full review after I show y'all the demo. In the demo, I'm just going to show you how I used it to refresh my hair, 6-day hair, and just review it slightly as I'm showing y'all that. So I'm just going to show y'all that, how that turned out, and I will be right back. Okay, so as mentioned, I am refreshing 6-day hair. I fixed my little ponytail off camera, so I'm just refreshing the curls now. As you see, I'm taking the superb hair oil and putting a little bit in my hands, and I am going to do a slight scalp massage to loosen up my roots, and obviously to promote growth or whatever. Just get it nice and right before I start with the actual Rose Tea Hair Refresher, which you see here. It's like a watery consistency, which I'm showing you right here, but I'm going to spray it on the nape of my neck, all around and on my ends, and I'm just going to work that in. As y'all may or may not know, at night I sleep with my hair up in a pineapple, so I'm focusing on my sides because it's kind of exposed when it's pulled up in the pineapple, so it can get frizzier. So that's why you see me specifically focusing on those areas. I get that worked nice and thoroughly through my hair, I'm actually going to go in with some water. That refresher is actually very light, and you wouldn't believe it, but water is a little heavier than that, so I just put a little bit on that on my drier areas, just for extra moisture. And now I'm going to go in again with the superb hair oil, and I'm going to seal in my moisture with that, so just apply that all over my hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm sorry if y'all hear any background noise. I have like my whole family here, so it's definitely louder, but this is how my hair is looking right now while it's still semi-damp. It looks pretty good, if I say so myself. If there's any more things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fluff. Hold up. Okay, so I'm gonna go put bobby pins in this little bun so it does not come down and it stays looking cute. And I'm gonna be back when I get dressed so y'all can see like the full little look. So okay, you guys, so in just a second I will go back to my actual like talking to y'all review over this, but this is how my hair is looking after I refreshed it with the Rose Tea Refresher and the superb hair oil. I just refreshed it with that, and as you can tell, my hair still has shine to it, which is really good because y'all know I actually dyed my hair, obviously. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way this looks right now. You know, this was actually a really good refresher, especially if you don't need to do nothing like super, if you're not going from 0 to 100, if you're going from, like, you know, 50 to 100, 60 to 100. This is a really good little refresher, and I did like this oil. So again, I will be back with, you know, a more formal review in just a clip. So just wanted to show y'all my hair though. Looks really good. Okay, y'all, so that was the demo and a, you know, slight review, but I do want to give like an overall quick type of review of what I thought of it sitting here right now. So before I get into that, let me show y'all my hair right now. So the video I just showed y'all, the demo is from 6 Day Hair. This is the same wash and go, and guess what day this is? I want y'all to guess while I'm showing y'all my hair. This is 11th day hair. Yes, 11th day hair. I refreshed my hair these past couple of days with this Rose Tea hair refresher and this Superb hair oil. I used it, you know, obviously 6 Day Hair, and then today, since my hair was older and it had been in the pineapple for a couple of days, I did use a little bit of water as well to kind of help mix and, you know, get it together, because it was kind of puffy up here. So to get it down, pretty much I used water. But I really did enjoy both of these when I refreshed a couple of days ago, as y'all seen, and I really enjoyed these today when I refreshed my 11th day hair. So the Rose Tea hair refresher, I'm going to tell you what this product contains, the ingredients, before I actually, you know, give a little quick review. Okay, so this product, I don't know if she wants me to include this, but this product is actually discontinued. I think she was just saying that it was rushed. So this is discontinued, but I'm still going to review it because she sent it, and I'm going to review it. And if I like this, you can always check out her other things that she have on her website. She does have oils, like that's what her website is. It's mostly oils. So it's only oils from what I can see. Face oils, hair oils, all of that. So this is discontinued. It's not on the website anymore, but I'm still going to review it. But since it's not on the website anymore, I can't say what this product contains because it's not on there for me to look. But I feel like this product is an excellent substitute, alternative, or whatever, you know, whatever, for water. So like I just mentioned, you know, I just spritzed my hair with this a couple of days just to get, you know, a nice little base going. It has a different level of moisture that water doesn't have, and I also feel like this is something good to mix with water. So if you watch different refreshing videos, you will see people, you know, mixing their water with aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice, whatever. Some people mix it with conditioner, all of that. I feel like this would be perfect for something like that because it will give, you know, the water just a little extra razzle dazzle. So I really did like this. I'm sure if y'all are interested in this like by itself, you could always DM the owner of TruNatural. The website, her Instagram, and the Facebook is linked down below, along with a personal discount code. It's not an affiliate discount code either. If you use it, it'll just give you a discount. Like, I won't get no profit from it. It's just a discount code, by the way. I think that matters. But by the way, you can always DM her. Like I just said, her Instagram is linked down below, just to see like what did she use in it, so you can, you know. But it's Rose Tea hair refresher, and she does have a Rose Tea oil serum on her website if you want, you know, a little bit of the rose tea-ness, you know. But this is discontinued, which kind of sucks, but you know, you got to do what's best for the brand. So since it was rushed and whatnot, I can understand that. But I really did like this. Great substitute for water. I thought it was bomb. I personally really liked it. Now, as for the Superb hair growth oils. This is normally $14, but right now it's on sale for $9. So check this out. All right, so before I get into the review, I'm gonna tell y'all what all this has in it, and I can tell y'all, you know, just more information. This has marshmallow roots, fenugreek seeds, carrot oil, pumpkin seed oil, rice bran oil, olive oil, castor oil, vitamin E, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and sweet orange oil. This product does contain oil derived from nuts as well as essential oils. So all of that makes sense, because this right here, y'all, I know a lot of people say that oils are not moisturizers, they're sealants. So the logic is, if you put oil on dry hair, it's not going to add any moisture, it's just going to seal in dryness. Well, there are a such thing as sealant oils and moisturizing oils, and this has a good balance of both. This all on by itself is so moisturizing. This is still on the website, so check this out. This is so moisturizing on the scalp, really good on the scalp. I like the way it makes my scalp feel. And then on the actual hair, it is literally so moisturizing. Like, this is bomb.com. I literally love this. This is an oil. It comes in like a spray, like it's not like a dropper or a nozzle type on it. It's literally like a little spray, which is, I think, is nice. You can pull it directly on the scalp like this and just spray, and as you can tell, that's how it looks. It's the oil. It's only so many ways oils can look. It smells like, I smell the tea tree and the peppermint. That's mostly what I smell, the peppermint. And that's probably why I feels so nice on the scalp as well, because of the peppermint oil and the tea tree oil. Y'all know those are good, like, essential oils for the scalp. It stimulates hair growth. And all of these oils that it has within it aid in hair growth. Like, if you look up each one of those oils or look up things to help aid in hair growth, those are the oils they will recommend. Any of my hair growth oils or hair growth serums I have on my shelf all contain like tea tree oil, all contain carrot oil, castor oil. Y'all know castor oil is really good when it comes to aiding in hair growth. So I'm gonna just read her little description to kind of end this off. This hair oil is created to strengthen your roots by providing protein and other nutrients. We call it superb because of the super herbs, marshmallow root and fenugreek seed, that provide lots of the nutrients infused within the oil. It's high in protein, promotes thickness, leaves you with luster, and preserves moisture in hair shafts. And y'all, at least for the freaking leaves you with luster, and preserves moisture in the hair shaft. I can definitely attest to that. It is a really good sealant. My hair is still very soft. You know, it does leave a really nice shine as well. And then again, it's moisturizing all on its own. A really good moisturizing ingredient that you will see in, you know, especially like smaller black owned businesses, is marshmallow, because marshmallow root, it's a good moisturizing ingredient that you will see a lot, especially in those small black owned businesses. So I really hope this video was not too long. I want to try to condense it as much as I can. Hopefully it's not longer than 12 minutes. If it is, I apologize. But if you watched, I really do thank you. But that's about it for this video. Again, TruNatural Instagram, website, and Facebook is linked down below, along with my discount code that you can use. I think it's $2 off. All of that is linked down below. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. If you are a brand and you would like to reach out to me, feel free to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked down below. Or you can email me, and you can email me through my Instagram. So whether you want to DM or email, just go through my Instagram. It's all on there. Yeah, if you are a brand, just reach out to me either one of those two ways and we can work something out. You know, I love working with small Black owned businesses, so reach out if you want to. You know, share this video with a friend if I haven't said that already, and finally subscribe to my channel. This is my first video that I'm recording since I hit 250 subscribers, and I'm super happy about that. 250 has been a goal for a while for me, so thank you so much for finally making that happen, helping me make that happen. But now, you know, the goal continues to go up, so now the goal is 300. If I hit 300, y'all, I ain't gonna know what to do. I'm gonna be so excited. So yeah, if you want to help make that happen for me, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.